Jaws in jaw crusher, blow bars in horizontal impactor, cone and mantle in cone crusher, rollers in roll crusher, and hammers in hammer mill wears out quickly as force is applied against the compression and abrasive force between grains of the material. For example, to get the good shape, it is the best practice of allowing the rock to break on its natural cleavages under free impact conditions. In VSI, the stone which is to be crushed is fed through hopper and a feed tube onto the center of a closed rotor. As it passes over the central distributor cap of rotor, it is divided into multiple separate streams. The rotor spinning at high speed of 60 to 85 meters per second throws the material with a great centrifugal force and forms rock shell of good shape. As the accelerated rock strikes the rock shell, known as rock-on-rock principle, it breaks by impact along the weakest section, resulting in cubicle-shaped product. The crushed product produced by this principle is guaranteed that it will not have any weaker sections or any fine cracks. While breaking on rock shell, the pieces are hit by the rock particles which are following, thereby maintaining a continuous reduction stream of high energy collision. Finally, when the stone particles lose their kinetic energy and overcome the force of the rock flow over them, they fall freely by gravity onto a conveyor belt below. The surface texture of produced particles is also more finished than the other ones as multiple collisions of stone particle is taking place inside the crushing chamber. This action is simulating the natural eroding of the particles in river.